Hey everyone, welcome to In the Oaks. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning up a wood mess that I have in front of my shop. What you see there is what's left of the tree that caught on fire across the road. The idea here is to get these logs up off the ground so I don't dull my chainsaw when I'm sawing them down to 16-inch lengths. This trick worked out well for a little bit, but eventually I got tired of lifting the logs and just decided to saw the ones that were already on top of each other. Now it's time to fire up this extremely old log splitter. As you can see, it didn't go well. I'm not sure how many times I pulled this thing, but it took a long time to get started. Usually, if it doesn't fire up, I hit it. Looks like there might be a new recoil video coming up. I don't know how many tons this log splitter is. All the markings of it have been removed in some way, shape, or form. I'm pretty sure this is a Husky vertical and horizontal splitter, and I think they were 34 tons or 28. I'm not 100% on that. Either way, it's enough to get the knottiest of logs split down to firewood size. Right about now, we run out of gas. After a quick fill up, we're back in business. With a log splitter like this, you have to be fine taking your time. This is not a fast machine. I'm using the machine this time instead of hand splitting because we have a party coming up, and my wife would like the mess out front to be taken care of. Every year we do a Halloween trail for neighborhood kids and the friends of our sons. So I was instructed to make sure all the logs were cleaned up and the place looked nice. Here I am repositioning the log so I don't have to drag these huge rounds to the other side. And just like that, we have a vertical splitter. Some of these logs I'm going to split into firewood sizes right away. Others I'll split in half or quarters so that I can pick them up and put them on the splitter later. You never know what you're going to find in some of these logs. Sometimes you find a whole bunch of ants. At this point I was guessing how much wood that is. I'd estimate it to be about 1/3 of a cord, but we'll stack it here and eventually figure it out. After taking down a couple trailers full of wood, I was right. 1/3 of a cord looks about right. While I stack wood here, I'm going to thank you for clicking on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the Oaks.